everyone. Today we're going to be making a scratch game. So we're going to be making Pong. So if you have not created an account already, please do so by pressing the join scratch button. This is where we start the project. So by pressing the create button. Okay, so we're going to name this project Pong. And then so this is going to be our left paddle, which we'll be controlling with our up and down keys. And then, so first we're going to delete the cat because we're not going to be using the cat. So we're going to make a rectangle, a very long rectangle. Or maybe make it a little bit smaller and then put it here. So now we're going to be doing the code. So when green flag clicked is the universal starting. So when the program starts, and then forever, which means it will last forever. If, which is a condition, key up arrow pressed, then change Y by 10. So now we can right click this and then press duplicate, and then put this here and then drag it in. And then down arrow, make this the input down arrow, so -10. And then we're also going to set the position to -200. Okay, yeah, that is good. And now it moves, and yeah. Okay, so now we can right click this sprite and press duplicate, and then so this is paddle 2, right? So we're gonna instead of doing up arrow, we're gonna replace this with W, and instead of down arrow, we're gonna replace this with S. And then it's still the same except kind of different. And then now okay, there. So now we've got an opponent. So now this opponent will be red for danger, but I mean this is going to be another player. So now that we've done that, we're going to paint a ball. So we're going to go like that, and then we've got a small ball, and then we're going to make this yellow. And then now let's go to the code. When green flag clicked, forever, and then first put a go to x0, y0, and a point in direction 90. And then now make a move 5 steps, and then put a repeat until around the moves 5 steps, and then put touching edge. Or we're gonna make a new costume actually, and it's gonna be a line, just one line, nothing simple. I mean, wait, no, nothing complex. And then we're gonna Command CV or Control CV if you're a Windows user, and go like that. Oop, just a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna call this one game over. Oop, over. And then this will be called ball, and this will be instead of edge, game over, and then move 5 steps. So now if touching paddle 1, and also another one if touching paddle 2. So now also we're gonna make 2 new variables. So player 1 score and player 2 score. And then we're gonna put player 2 score here and player 1 score here. And then now we're gonna, if touching paddle 1, change and change. And so this change will change player 1 score by 1. This one will change player 2 score by 1. And then now we're gonna do point and direction, and then we're also gonna put that here, and then we're just gonna take this one out, and then we're gonna go like that, and then 0 minus direction plus and then pick random. This will help it have a kind of random-ish thing. And then now we're gonna drag this into here, and then we're gonna duplicate this, and then we're gonna put it here. Wait, no, here. And then now repeat until is this one, so we're gonna stop all if it touches game over. But then repeat until touching game over. We're also gonna put an if on edge bounce. Okay, so now let's test this. So now you can move the right one with W and S, and the left one with up and down. So now it's actually a pretty fun game. And you can also take this a step further by decorating and adding, for example, a tennis turf. But this is it for today. This is Pong and Scratch. So see you next time, and keep an eye out for the next video. Okay, bye.